So my dove is having an episode where he likes to spin and show off. Boy birds do this sometimes. They get in these moods. Thanks, Peanut. Little chicken butt. He's like, try that again. Try that again. Ooh, angry. You don't like being blowed on. I see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the finger's coming. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Oh, little paws. Little claws. Bird fingers. Bird hands. Oh, actually, your wings are technically your hands, but... He doesn't like that. He's like, don't you touch my wing. Oh boy. Now he's mad. Now he's really mad. Alright, I'm gonna stop antagonizing my bird. I'm gonna let him go. Here, let's put you on the ground, buddy. Oh, angry. Angry. Look at that beautiful coat. He doesn't want to go down. He wants to be on my shoulder. He wants to fight. You want to fight some more? No more fighting. No more fighting. You gotta go down. There you go.